Angangsa, ngasigi topic asidi general knowledge. Mamangdasu Manipurgi oiba general knowledge mayam ama khangminakre ko. Ngasina ahum suba part oina amuk purakle. Mamangde haudaba question kaya ama puduna lae. Koi puna khangbra yengminarasi. Number 1 name the two important tributaries of the Barak River. Masina hanglibase Barak River da tinba turel ani adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is the Makru and the Irang River. In which district does the Barak River located? Masina hanglisa Barak River se karamba district ta leibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Senapati district. 3 Manipuri Itihas was written by whom? Masida haribase Manipuri Itihas asi kanana ibano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Haudai Jambam Chaitanya. 4 name the 3 Britishers who introduced and promoted Western system of education in Manipur. Masin hanglibasa Manipur da Western gi education system haudo amba nupa ahum adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 1 Mr. Nuthall, 2 James Johnston, 3 William Pettigrew. 5 how many autonomous district councils are there in Manipur? Masina hanglisa Manipur da autonomous district council kya leibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 6 ADCs. 6 name the British officer who was killed by the angry mob of Manipur in 1891. Masin hairisa 1891 khoisaunaraba miyamgi khutta laikhidraba British officer adugi maming hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Mr. Grimwood. 7 what is the other name of Maibam Lokpaching? Masina hanglisa Maibam Lokpaching gi atopa maming adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Red Hill. 8 who gave the title of Rani Gaidenlui to Gaidenliu Pamai? Masin hanglisa Gaidenliu Pamai bu Rani Gaidenliu haina kanana thonkibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 9 what hinders the rapid growth of population in Manipur? Masina hanglisa Manipur gi population asibu nemthaliba adu karina no hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is high death rate. 10 when did Nongda Lairen Pakhangba accord the throne of Manipur? Masin harisa Karamba matamda nongda lairen pakhangba Manipurgi ningthau oina pankibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 33 AD. 11. Who was the Manipur king who passed away on the same day of transfer of Cabo Valley to the Burmese in 1934? Masin hanglise, Cabo Valley bu Burmada 1934 da sinakhiba numit aduda laikhidaba ningthau adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Maharaj Gambhir Singh. 12. Who was the first chief commissioner of Manipur? Masida hairise Manipurgi ahanba chief commissioner adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Major General Rawal Amar Singh. 13. What does the CTBT stands for? Masida hairise CTBT gi long form adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. 14. Who was the first to get Dronacharya Award from Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurda ahanba Dronacharya Award phangkhiba adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Ibomcha Singh. 15. Name the first animated Manipuri film. Masin hanglise Manipurgi ahanba animated film adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Ita Thongmei. 16. Who was the first climber of Mount Everest from Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurgi oina ahanba Mount Everest kakhiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Nomaithem Suraj. 17. Who was the first to be a brigadier and major general from Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurgi ahanba brigadier amadi major general oikhiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Himalaya Singh. 18. Who was the first to get Olympic medal from Manipur? Masida hairise Manipurgi ahanba Olympic medal phangkhiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is MC Mary Kom. 19. Who was the first to become wing commander in Indian Air Force from Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurgi oina Indian Air Force ta ahanba wing commander oikhiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Potsangbam Ranbir. 20. Who was the first politician agent of Manipur? Sida harise Manipurgi ahanba politician agent oikiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Captain Gordon. 21 who was the first MA of Manipur? Sida harise Manipurgi ahanba MA adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Heights Diswamani Dev Sharma. 22 who was the first Sahitya Academy Award winner from Manipur? Masina hanglise Manipurgi ahanba Sahitya Academy Award fangkiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Pacha Maitei. 23 who was the first Padma Shri Award winner from Manipur? Sida harise Manipurgi ahanba Padma Shri Award fangkiba adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Atom Bapu Sharma. 24 who was the first Olympian from Manipur? Sina hanglise Manipurgi ahanba Olympian adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Pangemam Nilakamal Singh. 25 who was the first Mr. India and Mr. Asia from Manipur? Sida harise Manipurgi ahanba Mr. India amadi Mr. Asia oikiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Nongthombam Maipak Singh. 26 who was the first Sangeet Natak Academy Award winner from Manipur? Sina hanglise Manipurgi ahanba Sangeet Natak Academy Award fangkiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is M. Amubi Singh. 27 who was the first Arjun awardee from Manipur? Sina harise Manipurdagi ahanba Arjun Award fangkiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is N. Kunjarani. 28 who was the first Miss East India from Manipur? Sina harise Manipurgi ahanba Miss East India oikiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Boni Gurumayum. 29 who was the first Rajiv Khel Ratna Award winner from Manipur? Sina hanglise Manipurdagi ahanba Rajiv Khel Ratna Award fangkiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is N. Kunjarani. 30th, who was the first Padma Bhushan awardee from Manipur? Sida harise Manipurdagi ahanba Padma Bhushan award fangkibadu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Rani Gaidenliu. 31. Who was the first Asian Game gold medalist in boxing from Manipur? Sida harise Manipurgi oina boxing da ahanba Asian Game gold medalist oikiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Dinku Singh. 32. Name the first journal of Manipur. Sina harise Manipur gi ahanba journal adugi maming hayu harini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Maitai Chanu. 33. Name the first health journal of Manipur. Sina hanglise Manipur gi ahanba health journal adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Maitai Maiba. 34. Who was the first ambassador of Manipur? Sina hanglise Manipur gi ahanba ambassador adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Major Kathing. 35. Who was the first president of Indian Arm Wrestling Federation from Manipur? Sida harise Manipur gi ahanba Indian Arm Wrestling Federation da president oikiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is L. Ranbir. 36. Who was the first international badminton referee from Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi ahanba international badminton referee oikiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Heights Gyaneshwar. 37. Who was the first recipient of Ashoka Chakra from Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi oina Ashoka Chakra ihan hana fangkiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Laisram Joitin. 38. Who was the first Paramhansa title holder from Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi oina ahanba Paramhansa title fangkiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Jogendra Nandagiri. 39. Who was the first woman minister of Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi nupi singi lakta ahanba minister oikiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is K. Apabi Devi. 40. Name the Book of Manipur, which entered the famous Guinness Book of World Record in the year 1999. Sina hanglise 1999 da karamba Manipur gi lairikna maming leiraba Guinness Book of World Record chankibage hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Sambalai Sekpil. 41. Who was the first woman MLA of Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi nupi singi lakta ahanba MLA okhiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Hangmila Saija. 42. Who was the first MP of Rajya Sabha of Manipur? Sida harise Rajya Sabha da Manipur gi oina ahanba MP okhiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is NG Tompo. 43. Who was the first Lok Sabha MP outer constituency of Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi oina outer constituency Lok Sabha da ahanba MP okhiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Riksang Kaisang. 44. Who was the first Union Minister of Manipur? Sida harise Manipur gi ahanba Union Minister okhiba adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is R.K. Jayachandra. 45. Who was the first medical doctor of Manipur? Sida harise Manipur gi ahanba medical doctor adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is T.H. Govardhan. 46. Who was the first BA of Manipur? Sina hanglise Manipur gi ahanba BA adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is S. Somarendro. 47. Name the first color film of Manipur which was released in 1984. Sina harise 1984 da ihan hana phongkiba Manipur color film adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Langlen Thadoy. 48. Who was the first female doctor of Manipur? Sina harise Manipur gi nupi singi lakta ahanba doctor oikhiba du kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is T. Heights Bedamani Devi. 49 da, who was the first Mr. Manipur? Sinang lista, Mr. Manipur ahanba oikibadu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Zugesor. 50 da, who was the first DGP of Manipur? Sida hairise, Manipurgi ahanba DGP adu kanano hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Irom Laikendra. Angangsa, aikoi Manipurgi oiba general knowledge mayam ama khangminakhre ko. Mathangdasu general knowledge ki oiba question nungai nungai ba kya puduna laki.